Why you should choose Reborn USB C to Ethernet adapter. Because it has the following features: blazing fast 1000 MB per SEC connectivity. Reborn USB C to Ethernet adapter delivers a lightning-fast 1000 MB per SEC network speed, ensuring seamless work, study, and gaming experiences. Stable and superior to Wi-Fi. Experience more stable and higher speed connections with Ethernet than Wi-Fi. Ideal for intense work tasks, online learning, and lag-free gaming. Exquisite, compact and plug-and-play design. The USB-C Ethernet adapter of Reborn features a sleek and tiny form factor, making it highly portable and convenient to carry around. Reliable USB-C Ethernet solution. This USB-C to Ethernet adapter of Reborn is a must-have accessory, providing reliable wired network access for your USB-C enabled devices. Wide compatibility. The Reborn USB-C to Ethernet adapter is a universal fit. It works with MacBook Pro/Air, Dell XPS, Chromebooks, iPad, iPhone 15 series, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, if with USB-C or Thunderbolt 4/3 port, Mac Mini, and other USB-C devices, providing seamless connection for all your USB-C enabled gadgets. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.